What's the meaning of crockery? Crockery. Crockery.
Crockery. Crockery. Crockery refers to a set of dishes, plates, bowls, cups, and other utensils used for serving and eating food. It can be made of various materials such as ceramics, porcelain, bone china, or earthenware. Crockery is an essential part of dining and is often used in households, restaurants, and other food service establishments. It comes in different designs and styles to match various occasions and personal preferences. The quality and appearance of crockery are important considerations for creating a pleasant and functional dining experience.